Today we are going to make a program on how to find maximum and minimum number using an array. Basically, we'll be given an array. From that, we'll have to find the maximum and minimum number. So for that, we are going to use the C++ language. So now first of all, we'll write down the header file. Include IOStream. It is basically used for taking the input and output, then using namespace std. We can just we can also use just std double column, then c in c out. That is a good practice, but it is a bad practice because we are taking all the global namespace. It act as a global namespace, and you will take all the identifier object in a single namespace std. But I am using it for the easy purpose. Then int main. First, you need to declare an array. Then I will take the input for size from the user. So I'll declare the array. Then size. We can also take we can also take user input from the size. Then we can declare the array or make the array according to the size. But that is a bad practice. So I am I am declaring firstly the on 1000 I have taken the space, so according to that the size will be concise or compressed, so it is a very good practice. Then we'll take the user input from the for the size from the user. Okay, now we'll make the array and we'll take the all the numbers of array from the user. For that we need to make an loop. The array always start from 0 and it will go less than size, because if we take 8 numbers, then the size will be from starting 0, the size will be 7. So one number less than the size, that's why I'm taking less than size. Okay, so now we'll take the array input from the user. Now I'll print it. Okay, so we'll run it and see the output. I am taking size 4, entering 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, array have printed. Now we have to take a function. We can also do this in the main, but I want to do the user function to find the maximum and minimum number. So firstly I will make a function for that. Take the parameters, then I will also pass the size also to declare the size. Okay, then we'll write the maximum algorithm. The algorithm will be first will be store the minimum number Okay, I have stored the latest minimum number in the variable maxi. Now what we will do, we'll write down a loop. So what I have done here, that I have declared a variable named maxi and I have stored the latest minimum number in that variable. So then after that I have run a loop, and the loop will be traverse through along through the array, and it will be stopped when the latest maximum number will be reached. So when the number will be array 1 will be between the maximum number and the array I, when that will be maximum, then the loop will be stopped. So in that way we'll find the maximum number. Now I'll return the maxi. Okay, here in the main we'll call the function to print the maximum array. Okay, to now we need to uh, print it. For that we need to call the function. Now we'll call. Okay, I'm passing the array on the side. Then we'll need to print that maximum number is maxi. Let's just run to see if it is correct or not. Okay, I'll take the size 4. Then okay, maximum number is 4. It is correct. Now we'll make a function for minimum. This is all same, just we need to change the variables names. And okay, minimum I have here, it will store the maximum. I'll take mini, and here also mini. Okay, now I have made the function for the to find the minimum number. Here I have stored the latest maximum number of the int size in the mini, and the loop will be stopped when we will reach the minimum number. Then I will call the function. So the minimum number is okay. Now let's just run the program. Okay, I have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the maximum number is 4, the minimum number is 1. Now let's just take another input like 5, 3 random numbers, 7, 9, 4, 1. Okay, the maximum number is 9 and the minimum number is 1. So that's the program. Thank you.